If your phone is running out of space, it's probably because of those massive WhatsApp group chats. WhatsApp has finally released a new clear chat interface that makes it way easier to clean up your storage without losing the messages that actually matter. Let's dive into how it works. First things first, go to your App Store and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. You won't see these new options unless you're on the latest build. Once you're updated, head to your WhatsApp app and then tap into the chat that you want to clean up. Tap on those 3 dots in the corner and then tap on More. In here, there's an option for Flare Chat. Tap on this. And now, instead of that old scary Delete All button, you'll now see a detailed bottom sheet. This is the game changer. It breaks your chat down into categories. You can see exactly how much space your photos, videos, stickers, and even voice notes are taking up with real-time estimates. If we tap on all messages, that will wipe the whole WhatsApp chat. But if I tap on Media Files Only, you can see here, I get a breakdown of videos and GIFs, photos and audio. You can check the boxes for specific types, like just deleting videos and stickers while keeping your documents and audio files. We all have those important addresses or notes we've stored in a chat. In this new update, WhatsApp will specifically ask you if you want to keep or delete your stored messages. It's a great safety net so you don't accidentally wipe out your important data while trying to free up space. Let's try another one. Tap on the 3 dots, tap on More, and tap on Clear. I'm going to tap on Media Files Only, and I'm going to clear the videos and GIFs, and this will free up 169.9 megabytes on my phone. And that's basically it.